Hello students, today we learn how to calculate elongation of a prismatic bar due to its self-weight. So here let's consider a prismatic bar of length L and which is having properties mass density as rho, length as L, gamma is the weight density, W is the weight of the bar and E is the Young's modulus. Here gamma weight density we calculate by using the formula weight divided by volume. And we know for calculating elongation of a prismatic bar, the formula which is used is delta is equal to PL by AE. Now, for evaluating this delta for the prismatic bar due to its own weight W, let's consider a section PP. Let's consider a section PP at a distance x from the bottom of the bar. Let's consider this point as Q. And now consider a small element over this section, a small element P dash of length dx. Okay, consider a section PP which is at a distance x from the bottom of the bar, and consider a small element PP dash of length dx. Now initially we'll calculate the elongation of this PP dash element, and then from that we'll evaluate the elongation of the total bar. So for that we'll calculate weight of the element PP dash. Okay, let Wx is the weight of member PP dash, and by observing diagram we can say that Wx is nothing but the weight of the area PQ. Okay, Wx is nothing but the weight of this area PQ. Okay, weight of area PQ. So here by using the formula of weight density, I can write weight Wx is nothing but gamma into volume of area PQ. Wx is equal to gamma into volume of area PQ. So I'll calculate Wx is equal to gamma into volume of area PQ. A is the area into length of element PQ is x. So gamma AX is the weight of the area PQ, and which is nothing but the weight of the small element P dash. So initially we calculated weight of the small element P dash. Now let delta x is the elongation of member PP dash. Delta x is the elongation of member PP dash. Now by using this formula, delta is equal to PL by AE, we'll calculate the elongation of member PP dash. So I can write delta x is equal to P is the load. Here it is Wx. The value of P is nothing but the Wx. So I will write Wx into L. Length of the member PP dash. Length of the member PP dash is dx divided by A. So delta x is equal to Wx into dx divided by A. But we earlier calculated the value of Wx. So I will put here delta x is equal to gamma into A into x into dx divided by A. Now, this is the elongation produced in a member PP dash or in a small element. From this, we want to calculate elongation of the total bar. So, for that purpose, let delta is the elongation of prismatic bar. So, delta, how we can calculate delta? Delta can be calculated by integrating delta x. So delta is equal to integration of delta x within the limits 0 to L over the entire span. So delta x will be integrated over the entire span 0 to L. Then we'll get the elongation of the bar. So delta is equal to 0 to L into delta x. Now put the value of delta x in this equation, integration 0 to L, delta x gamma A x dx divided by A. So delta gamma is constant, A is constant, again A E is constant, integration from 0 to L x into dx. Delta is equal to gamma A AE. Integration of x into dx is x square by 2 over the limit 0 to L. So delta is equal to gamma A L square divided by 2A. Now here we will write this delta in another form, gamma into A into L divided by 2A. In this step, we split this L square into L into L. L square is written as L into L. Now, we know that A into L is the area into length of the member L is nothing but the volume of the prismatic bar. So I will write here gamma into I'll replace this A into L by V, volume of the prismatic bar, into L divided by 2A. Here, since volume of the prismatic bar V is equal to area into length, so V. And now delta is equal to, if we see the formula of gamma, gamma is equal to weight by volume. Here it is gamma into volume. Gamma into volume is nothing but the weight of the element. Gamma into volume is nothing but the weight of the element. Therefore, I will write gamma into volume is nothing but the weight of the member or bar W into L divided by 2A. In this step, we replaced gamma into volume by weight of the bar. So this is the formula, delta is equal to WL divided by 2E AE, by which we can calculate the elongation of prismatic bar due to its own weight. In this formula, delta is the elongation, W is the weight of the bar, L is the total length of the bar.